It's been a while since I uploaded a video on this channel. Last I left off was with my 1994 Toyota Supra, a naturally aspirated model. And that one I finished off the time trials and sold it off back in October of 2014. So obviously I get itches with cars, and this one caught my eye. It's a 2014 Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. It's really a Ford Taurus that's been modified with a few goodies actually. The police package offers the 3.7 liter V6, all-wheel drive, heavy-duty suspension and brakes. It has oil cooler, automatic transmission cooler, so kind of caught my eye as, hey, this might be a neato track or even autocross type of car, but of course it's a little bit on the quirky side, about 4,200 pounds. But we'll see how this particular Ford Police Interceptor respond to all the track modifications and see how well it actually does on the track. But what's interesting about this car, obviously, you could see the damage on back. That's going to cost me about 4K to fix in bodywork. The engine is running two codes, P4030 and P0306. What it means is catalytic converter is not running efficiently on bank 2, and there's a misfire on cylinder 6. I figure that replacing the spark plugs will fix the number 6 cylinder, and replacing the O2 sensor should probably most likely make the car run more efficiently. So probably realistically, I'm hoping to get rid of that catalytic converter P0430 code. But aside from that, hopefully won't be too big an issue. I definitely will update the video on those. I'm definitely looking forward to see how this car responds to track work and track duty.